Hi, my name is Amy Klein and I'm a porcelain artist living in Henderson, Nevada, and I'm getting ready for my one-day workshop in Tampa, Florida with the Pottery Boys in December 2026 for Tour de Clay. During that workshop, I'm going to be demonstrating how I create my sculptural boxes out of porcelain. I do a combination of throwing on the potter's wheel and hand building. I'm working in a high fire porcelain body and firing all the way up to cone 10. These pieces are created by first using a template to create the footprint for my form. And in this case, I used a hummingbird template to create the form. So you can see here the lid and how it's constructed, and the bottom of the piece. Here you can see the lip that I created, the edge, so that the lid fits nicely. I also pushed up underneath the form to release the tension in the bottom of the piece. These are currently in bisque form to show you how they look once they're being worked on. You can see here, once I get the shape, then I draw on the form, whatever I feel that the form needs. And then that also helps to lead me into how I'm going to do the glaze for the piece. The next one I have is a little bit smaller box. This one shows a little bit more of the definition of my carving work that I've done on the piece. I'm very influenced by Art Deco. I like to create a form and then react around the form with drawing and designing around the form. You can see the actual footprint. That's basically the template shape that I used to create this one, and you can see the carving that I've done on this form. So during the workshop, I'm going to show you how to create the form. I use a combination of the wheel and hand building to create these forms, and then I'll be demonstrating how I draw around a form and some of my carving technique. So I have one finished piece here that came out of the kiln recently. And this one I fired to cone 10 in an electric kiln, and I use a neutral atmosphere to fire my work in when I'm working in electric. You can see the snow crystal glaze that I've been using for the electric. I like to fire to cone 10, whether I'm in an electric atmosphere or I'm doing a reduction firing. And you can see here, basically you can see what the template was. Again, me with my bird theme. So you can see that form. And I'm looking forward to the workshop, Tour de Clay, December of 2026. All right, see you then.